Picking the right paddle for your specific game is a difficult task. While pickleball continues to grow in popularity throughout America, more pickleball companies are releasing the latest technology in the field of pickleball paddles. We have provided links within the box of description below that are up to date for the lowest prices. Onix Z5 pickleball paddle provides great value for money, incredible control of the ball, power and spin, and the largest sweep place. Its Nomex core and graphite face makes it tough and puts you in charge of every tennis shot. The pickleball paddle on top of our list of the best pickleball paddles includes the Onix Z5 Graphite pickleball paddle. This paddle Onix Z5 is a huge popular choice for players playing pickleball across the world and is utilized for both beginners playing for the first time, as well as professional players competing at the highest level of their game. On the first time you take on the Onix Z5, the first thing you'll observe is the comfortable paddle weight. It weighs anywhere between 7.5 to 8.2 pounds, making it effortless to travel on the court, while maintaining total control of every pickleball shot. The Z5's high weight ratio allows you to generate significant force when you are playing smashes, which is something that other paddles aren't able to do. Another notable characteristic when using the Onix Z5 paddle is the huge hitting area. The Z5 features an 8/1/8 broad face, which signifies that the paddle has a huge sweep area. This provides you with a high shot of hitting winning shots while controlling the ball using spins, dinks, and more firm smash shots. In addition to the wide hitting surface on the Z5, the Onix Z5 has a classic broad-body paddle shape, with a length of 5 inches for the handle and a grip size that can reach 1/8/1/8. This gives you a feeling of constant control on the court, giving players the ability to concentrate in your sport. The Z5 is available in a variety of color options such as blue, green, red, orange, purple, pink and white. The Onix paddle itself is embellished with a striking Z-shaped screen that is printed on the graphite face of its woven black. The variety of colors allows you to choose a color that suits your style, and make it stand out or blend into. And lastly, the Onix Z5 Graphite pickleball paddle offers great value as a 5-star paddle for less than $100. We're confident that you'll be delighted with Onix Z5 and will be awed by Onix Z5 and are confident that it will be on our list of the best pickleball paddles. This Paddletek Bantam XL composite pickleball paddle is quieter as compared to its predecessor, the Onix Z5, and is built using a specially designed honeycomb made of polymer. There aren't many paddles that are comparable to that of the Paddletek Bantam XL when it can provide an impact from a fiberglass face. In a close second on our top pickleball paddle listing is the Bantam composite pitchball paddle. Similar to the Z5 and Z5X, it is also a great paddle for playing. Bantam XL is a comfortable paddle that weighs anywhere between 7.7 or 8.4 ounces. This paddle offers the perfect balance of control and power when playing a game of ping pong on the net. A number of players who have played with this Paddletek Bantam XL comment that it has power in launching the ball but also excels in controlling the ball spin. The paddle's 7/7/8 in width implies that there is a huge space on the paddle to handle even the most complex shots. This is something that the XL shares along with Onix Graphite Z5. The paddle for pickleball has a core of polymer which was specifically developed to create the top paddles for pickleball. This provides you with the power, control and strong strikes, but it's also more quiet as compared to Nomex core paddles. When compared to the Z5, you'll notice the XL is a more quiet paddle. The face of the XL paddle is made of fiberglass with an abstract vinyl decal. It's all made to give you the sensation of control that is unmatched across every type of shot. The grip of the XL's paddle is slightly larger than the Z5's 5 1/8 inches and is designed to offer an additional amount of reach around the net. The face of the paddle measures 15/15/8 in size and the grip is cushioned, giving you a sense of ease and control in court. As with the Z5, like the Z5 model, the Paddletek Bantam XL model by Paddletek is a great value at under $100. There's also a brand new model just launched to market, dubbed the TS5 Pro. The TS5 Pro features torsional vibration control that gives you more sweet spot and greater ball control when hitting off center or miss hitting. It's impossible to go wrong with one of the Bantam XL composite pickleball paddles. It's excellent as a runner-up in our top pickleball paddle review. The Selkirk Ampled S25 FiberFlex is a fantastic paddle for pickleball. It's tough to rank this paddle on the third spot on our list because it may well be able to take its place in the number 1. If you're looking to buy a premium paddle that has an impressive pop off the racket and also power as well as control and spin, then the S2x5 is perfect for you. The S2x5 paddle is an extremely versatile paddle that has an expansive wide-body paddle face. This provides you with a huge space to shoot stunning shots from. One of the most distinctive features of this paddle lies in its FiberFlex face that Selkirk says will give you the chance to choose your shots. This face was designed to make sure that balls respond to the face of the paddle to disrupt your opponent, allowing you to put more emphasis in your shooting. This means you will get more ping from an attack and more spins around the net. This is something experienced players will appreciate. The X5 core has also been designed to guarantee the same consistency across your shots, and also provide more quiet impact. Similar to the Magnum Stealth, the X5 is quieter in its gameplay. Another notable characteristic of the X5 is that it is available in 2 weights. You can choose between a medium size in the range of 8.2 ounces, or a lighter weight of 7.2 grams. This means that you can pick the right paddle weight for your preferred style of play. A heavier paddle weight gives you greater power, but the lighter weight model is designed to provide easy movement across the court. Its S2X5's handle has a shorter length than the other paddles on this listing, and other Selkirk ample paddles, to accommodate the larger face and a bigger area of sweet spot. The Selkirk Amped S2 5-inch FiberFlex pickleball paddle comes in 6 different colors, which include blue, green, purple, black, red, and orange. The face features a huge Selkirk S logo that takes over the entire paddle. The lower portion of the paddle is faded to white. We like the style as well as the feel of the S2X5, and we're sure that it's yet another feature that stands out on the paddle. Its S2X5 pickleball paddle has a higher price than the other paddles on this list. This is the reason it ranks less than its counterparts, the Onix Graphite Z5, and the Paddletek XL. It is priced at around $130 mark, and it offers the best value for money, when you consider the quality of the construction of the paddle. The paddle is made for serious players of pickleball. The next paddle on our top paddles selection includes the Onix Evoke Premier Pickleball Paddle. The paddle was designed with pickleball national champions Matt Wright and Lucy Kovalova. The Evoke Premier came with one clear goal: that was to blend unrivaled power and accurate ball control. And Onix has not let it down. Onix Evoke Premier is a professional grade paddle that is specifically designed for players who are looking to raise their sport to top levels. The most important thing to mention regarding Onix's Onix Evoke Premier paddle is it comes with a distinctively created DF composite fiberglass paddle face. If you're seeking an Afghan paddle made of fiberglass that is durable, this Evoke Premier is a great alternative. The surface of the paddle is lightly coated, offers a fantastic blend of spin and paddle pop, and ensures a constant feel when you hit the pickleball. It is also a great paddle for catching. Evoke Premier also features an Atomic 13 edgeguard, which is designed to give you more aerodynamic features. This Atomic 13 disperses shock throughout the paddle during blocking the net. And it also ensures that the paddle is able to swing quickly in the direction of power coming at the back of the court. The core of the paddle is constructed from polypropylene honeycomb that makes the paddle more durable than other Onix paddles. The extra thickness makes the weight of the paddle between 7.8 to 8.2 pounds, making it a more substantial paddle than the other Onix models. This means this paddle Onix Evoke Premier suits big hitters who want to bring the force the heavy paddles generate. The size of the grip on Evoke Premier is standard, and the paddle's handle measures 5 inches in length. This makes it perfect for transition paddles to tennis players. The handle is also covered inside on the Onix Superior Tacky Grip, which is considered to be one of the top grips for pickleball available. As with many pickleball paddles featured on our top paddles list, Onix Evoke Premier is one of them. Onix Evoke Premier could sit at the top of the list. We suggest taking this paddle into consideration in the event that you're in search of an extremely competitive pickleball paddle. The Rally Tyro 2 Pro Pickleball Paddle is included on this list due to the opposite in comparison to that of the Selkirk S2X5. Contrary to other paddles in this list, the Rally Tyro 2 Pro is priced at less than $60. It's one of the top pickleball paddles available on the market with a less expensive price. Additionally, many top players say it's like the paddles that cost between $80 and $100. The Tyro 2 Pro has a shock-absorbing polymer core that allows you to have a great grip in the courts. If you're constantly playing opponents who smash the ball with a lot of force and force it into the court, you'll find that the Tyro 2 Pro is an excellent paddle to counter this strategy. The paddle lets you defend against big hitters. It also lets you the option of pinging off the paddle, which will bounce balls in such a manner that puts your opponent at risk. It's a middleweight paddle that provides you with incredible flexibility across a wide range of shots, including baseline shots, serves and smashes. However, it's playing on the net using soft strokes and drinks that the paddle is at its best. Another distinctive feature of this paddle is its large sweet spot. The paddle measures 7.5 wide and has an extended neck. This allows you to have more access to the net, as well as enough power to handle the most difficult shots. Actually, in our tests of our Rally Tyro 2 Pro, the sweet spot performed as a paddle that cost close to $100. The handle length is similar to that of the Z5, which measures 5 inches long, offering excellent control. The paddle's surface is composed of polycarbonate composite, which is layered on the polymer core, a fiberglass. This makes the paddle difficult to handle, but also offers plenty of strength to withstand the hard shots. This is among the most appealing things regarding the paddle. The price is less than $60. Rally Tyro 2 Pro provides an excellent value for money. It's like an expensive paddle and comes in 2 stunning colors, flame, orange or yellow, as well as ocean, blue or green. We're confident that you'll be awed by this paddle if you want something that's affordable, yet performs well.